let's talk S, ES, and IES. Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and in my last video, I talked about the simple present and how he, she, it ends with S, ES, or IES. The problem is, how do you know which one to use? Rule number 1, most regular verbs will end in S. It's just the main ending that we use. For example, he speaks, she walks, it turns. Rule number 2, ES follows verbs that end in SS, SH, CH, TCH, X, and ZZ. For example, watch becomes watches. Mix becomes mixes. And guess becomes guesses. Rule number 3. IES is for verbs that end in a consonant and a Y. For example, cry. The R before the Y is a consonant, so cry becomes cries. Fly. The L before the Y is a consonant, so fly becomes flies. And study. The D before the Y is a consonant, so study becomes studies. I hope that this video was helpful. I look forward to hearing your questions and comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!